Hi, in this video I will show you how to download a project from Emergent AI. So, Emergent AI allows you to build and test AI-powered projects inside its platform. But downloading a project depends on how it's structured and what export options are available. In most cases, you can export project files or connect your project to external hosting rather than downloading a single button file. So, first, log into your Emergent AI account, then open the project you want to download. For example, I will open this one. Now, make sure that the project is complete and working properly before exporting anything. Now, check prompts, web flows and integration so you don't miss important files. Next, look for export option. So, you'll have to look for export download or project settings option inside the editor. This is usually located in the top menu or settings panel depending on your plan. And if you have available credits and plan, you will see the option just right here at the top right. And if Emergent AI supports direct downloads, you'll be able to export the project files or source code from here. If there is no direct download option, Emergent AI typically provides a way to connect a project to GitHub or deploy it to hosting platform. You can simply go to this search bar that is available just right here in this section, and you can ask to connect it to GitHub or deploy it to a hosting platform. In that case, link it to your GitHub account, push the project repository, then download the files from GitHub to your computer. After downloading or exporting, open the project locally and verify that all files are present. You may need to add environment variables such as API keys manually, since these are often excluded for security reasons. In short, to download project from Emergent AI, open the project, check export or settings, or simply navigate to this section, click on Save to GitHub, upgrade to a plan, then connect to a GitHub repository, then download it from GitHub using this method. So that's how you download a project from Emergent AI. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.